Hello, I'm Levi with Glacier Tanks. Today we're going to take a look at our system rack, a modular and mobile equipment rack made for operators who need to take a custom approach to their process. We've designed this rack to be constructed using tri-clamp connections so that it can be customized with any existing tri-clamp parts. This means the user can build from the stock rack to create their own customized solution to system consolidation. Inside each union is a rubber fab tough steel gasket, which helps add stability to the tri-clamp union. We chose tough steel rather than a basic rubber tri-clamp gasket or standard PTFE gasket because they can better support the heavy weight these carts endure when assembled with fittings. To mount equipment to the cart, we designed our own stainless steel vessel clamp, which allows you to mount various fittings in vertical or horizontal orientations. These come in sizes from 4 inches to 14 inches, ready to fit jacketed and non-jacketed spools. For mobility, each cart is assembled with heavy-duty locking polyurethane casters. Now that we've explored the system rack a bit, let's look at some of the accessories we sell that might help you generate some ideas for how to use this cart to edge out your competition with a custom process solution that no one else has. Glacier Tanks carries a range of parts and fittings that can work with our system racks and vessel clamps. These include spools, prefabricated sections of sanitary tubing with tri-clamp ends, reducers, fittings that change from one size to another, adapters, fittings that adapt from one standard to another, and lids, which are a combination of a reducer and an adapter. Our spools come in tri-clamp sizes from 3/4 of an inch to 12 inches, with jacketed and single wall variants available on our website. Lengths range from 1 inch to 48 inches for each spool, so you have plenty of size options. Reducers come in 4 main types: concentric reducers, which have a concentric cone shape; eccentric reducers, named because their smaller side is not in the center of the larger flow path; cap reducers, which resemble tri-clamp end caps; and bowl reducers, which are a dish-style reducer. Reducers can be used on the top or bottom of a spool assembled onto the system rack to accommodate the appropriately sized input or output for your process. Glacier Tanks offers many different types of adapters to connect various union types to your system rack mounted tri-clamp process system. These include NPT to tri-clamp, JIC to tri-clamp, DIN 11851 to tri-clamp, beer nut to tri-clamp, cam and groove to tri-clamp, and garden hose to tri-clamp. We also carry a selection of prefabricated lids that include various combinations of elements, such as a DIN-style port view sight glass integrated with NPT ports. At Glacier Tanks, we're happy to be able to offer this modular system rack and a wide selection of fittings to help you make your own unique setup for your distinct purpose. We've been impressed to see some clients build custom inline heaters and heat exchangers, kegging manifolds, small extractors, and more. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching our video today, and check back soon for more informational videos.